Hey guys, welcome to another Solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to do a tutorial about OKX app. So basically, OKX is going to be a financial platform that will help you set up budgeting and also see signals or the cryptocurrency signals. You can have trackers, min pump, and all of the trading or swapping aggregation that you're going to find into the specific cryptocurrency market. So basically, how we can have the app of the platform. It is going to be very easy to have the app. You're going to head over the header, click on the, as you can see, this download button. You can go ahead and click on it, and you're going to have a QR code that will be scanned within your phone, and it is going to guide you directly to the marketplace of your choice. If you're going to be on iOS, it will take you to App Store. If you're going to be on Android, it is going to take you to Play Store. And also we can have more options by clicking on more options, which is going to be like that. And you're going to have either to download the app manually without the QR code, or you can go ahead and have the web app that has been implemented. So it is going to be downloadable for Safari, Edge, Brave, and also Chrome. So in my case, I have chosen the Edge because we are working on Microsoft Edge and I have downloaded it. It is going to be something like this. So it is going to be the same operation for each one of the browsers or the app that you have. So either you are going to import a wallet or create a wallet. Click on it. Then we are going to have here the phase that you're going to create the wallet. Either it is going to be a seed phrase or a hardware wallet. So we're going to have here a seed phrase. If the hardware wallet is going to be available for you, you're going to connect it. Now you can go ahead and secure your wallet by using biometric authentication or password. The recommended one is going to be the biometric, but in my case, I'm going to head over the password. So we are going to create a password, and that password is going to be temporary. So you're going to have an idea on how this is going to work. Basically, we are going to confirm it. After that, normally it is going to take us to the next step, which is going to be here. You're going to note down the seed phrase. So before noting down your seed phrases, you should know that it is only the only way to recover your assets. It is going to be never to be shared with anyone else. Also, you're going to write it down by hand and store it safely. So we are going to set that phase later. I'm going to have it right there. And as you can see, we have the welcome message for the OKX. We're going to start the Web3 journey. And as you can see, we have the wallet, also the account. So we are going to see our actual balance. We can send, receive, swap, see the history, and also the toolkit of it right there. So we can have the gas tracker, the testnet faucets, and etc. So as you can see, it is going to be very simple to track down the crypto, the NFTs, DeFi, the approvals that you have, and etc. So we are not going to back up it here now because it is going to be here a temporary swap. So if you're going to send some of the coins or the values that or the assets that you have, click on send and it is going to have crypto. You need to have some crypto first, so you can go ahead and have it right there. And you can go ahead and receive when you are going to back up your specific account. And for the swap, it is going to be very simple. You're going to select the swap from to, and you're going to set it up right there. So you're going to select the network, then you're going to set up the amount, for example, and you're going to add the funds. It is basically going to take it from your wallet, but since we have zero, you're going to be obliged to have funds. And then you're going to have the DEX aggregator service. Basically, it is not going to be, let's say here, launched in my country because of the restrictions that I have, but you're going to have it right away, and here you go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.